Thank you very much for watching my videos. I really appreciate that. Today we are going to learn compound fractions. Remember, in our previous videos we said that a fraction has a numerator. We said a fraction has a numerator and then a denominator, right? We said that. Okay, so whenever you have a fraction in which the numerator and then the denominator are not whole numbers, but what you are used to is having a fraction as 2/3. This is a whole number and this is also a whole number. How about when you have a fraction where the numerator is also another fraction? This is what we refer to as compound fractions. Let's look at some examples. Like when we have 2/. Yes. Now I just want you to understand that we already said that, okay, this bar here is also the same as the division sign. So this particular problem can be rewritten as divided by 1/6. And remember what we said in our previous video. Whenever you have a division, two fractions dividing, you find the reciprocal of the second fraction, or you turn upside down the second fraction. In other words, you switch the numerator and then the denominator of the second fraction. So it's just very simple. We're going to have this denominator switching to become a numerator and this numerator becoming a denominator. So we eventually going to wind up with 2/3 times 6/1. And then very simple concept, whenever you have two fractions and they are multiplying, you multiply the numerators. So 2 is going to multiply 6, and then 3 is also going to multiply 1. And so we have 2 times 6 is 12 divided by 3, and this eventually gives us 4, right? Let's do some more examples and then we can. Okay, so let's look at it. 1/2/3. Let's also look at this 8/9 divided by 5, and then let's do some 3/5/9, and then the last problem we're going to do 4/11 all divided by 2. Okay, so you're going to pause this video for a minute and then see if you are able to do it. Alright, so you are welcome back. I really think you did great on that one. Okay, so let's see. This is the same as 1 divided by 2/3, right? And you know every whole number is also a fraction. So because 1 is a multiplication identity, in other words, when I multiply anything by 1, it's still the same thing. It's still a division. When I divide anything by 1, it's still the same thing. So 1 divided by 1. Here we can take the reciprocal of the second fraction. That will give us 3/2. And so our final answer here is going to be 3 times 1 all over 1 times 2, which winds up as 3/2. Great. Let's quickly do this. 8/9 divided by 5, right? This is the same as 8/9 times 1/5, and this is 8 times 1/9 times 5. Let's go in systematic so that you would understand this. This is 8/45. Let's see, 3 divided by 5/9. This is the same as 3/1 times 9/5. I just took the reciprocal of the second fraction, multiply the numerators as our rule for multiplying? Remember? Good. So this is the same as 27 over 5. Right. Good. So let's do the last one. You have 4 over 11 divided by 2. And so this is 4 over 11 times 1 over 2. And this is going to be 4 times 1 over 11 times 2. And this will wind up as 4 over 22. Remember what we said, you can reduce this fraction. So this can be expressed as 2 times 2 over 2 times 11, right? And so here we can cancel out the common factors. 2 and 2 can cancel out here, and we have 2 over 11 as our final answer. I hope you understood this. It's very simple. This is what we call compound fractions, and I hope you understood it. Click the subscribe button, like, and then share this video. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you.